Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I have a typical Monday for me. I am running errands, I've got to get some supplies for the salon, I have a massage booked at 10:15 and I am going for lunch after that with my friend. And just a little bit of running around. I gotta get some groceries, stuff like that. So I usually, when I'm doing my regular Monday routine, I do this sort of no makeup look. So I thought I would do that as my video for the day with you guys instead of doing anything super glam that's maybe a little less relatable. This is something that anybody can do. It takes 5 to 10 minutes. It's really, really quick and off you go out the door. So I will just start that now and here we go. Okay, so I've scooched you guys in nice and close and I'm baring my skin to the world. So as you can see, I have a lot to cover. I have really dark circles, I have some breakouts and acne scars and stuff to cover. So if you are somebody who doesn't have a lot of stuff to cover, you could just go in with like a BB cream or a tinted moisturizer or something like that. But for me, even when I do my no makeup, I still have to cover the craziness or I don't feel like myself. So like I say, if you have good skin and you don't have all this stuff, just go in with a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream. I'm just going to apply a little bit of the Physicians Formula Insta Ready primer. It is a little bit oily for my skin, but it was really, really cold on the weekend, so my face is a little bit dry. And because I'm just running errands today and you know, that sort of thing, it doesn't really matter if my makeup lasts extra long. So I'm just going in with that to make my makeup glide on a little bit better and to give me a little bit of moisture because I'm feeling a little dry. So I just like to apply that with my fingers. It's quick. I'm going to try and do this just in real time and not edit anything out for you guys because this really is my like 5-minute no makeup face. So I'm going to use it might be a little more than 5 minutes because I'm talking. I'm going to really try not to hit the table like I do in every video. So I'm just going to go in with my Clinique Acne Solutions in Fresh Ivory. I'm going to apply just some globbies on my face. So if you, like I say, if you have nice even skin, you could just go in with a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream with a beauty blender or a brush, however you like to apply it. And I'm going to use my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush that I talked about in my last video. And I'm just going to blend that in really quick. So I pretty much do foundation every day of life, and I mean, you guys can see why. It's not a big deal. It just makes me feel more comfortable and more like myself. Sometimes my husband will come in and be like, oh, she's putting makeup on for the gym again. And it's not something that I do for anybody else. I do it for myself. It makes me feel better. It makes me feel like myself. And I mean, if I'm going to the gym, there's mirrors everywhere. I have to see myself too, right? So this is just, like I say, it's not because I'm trying to, you know, be super extra or anything like that. It's just, this is what I do to feel confident out in the world. So, like I say, I'm just running errands. I have a massage today. I'm going for lunch with a friend. And I have to look like a human person, so that's just what life is like. So I've got a thin layer of foundation on. Look at those dark circles, you guys. Those are next level. I haven't been awake for that long. Just so you know, I don't always have them quite this dark, but it is like, I don't know, 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Age Rewind dark circle eraser, and I've got the color Neutralizer, so this is obviously specifically for dark circles. So I just apply a little under the eyes. I really like this stuff. I think I put it in my like, I think one of my first videos, like cosmetics, top 10 cosmetics I can't do without or something like that. I love this under eye concealer. And then I'm just using the TG concealer stick in light, and I'm just putting a little, obviously on the blemishes or the spots or whatever, and they're not all breakouts. Some of them are just acne scars, so they're just still a little purple. So I just pop a little bit of that on there and blend it in. No big deal. We all have something to cover, I think. I mean, at the very least, most people have some dark circles to cover up, so we're all in the same boat, right? I'm not the only one. I got this ultimate blending brush from the e.l.f. brand, and I literally just use it for everything now. I love it. It's so smooth. It makes everything go on really nice. And it's really soft under the eyes. So I usually do that, and then I'll add just a teensy bit more where I look really tired. I'm not a morning person. It takes me a minute. It takes me at least like a couple hours for the puffiness to go away in my face and for my voice to sound kind of normal. All right, so we're concealed. We've got a little bit more of a blank canvas. So now I'm gonna go in. It probably sounds like I'm doing all crazy things here. I'm just looking for, you know, different items. Oh, it's fine. I just dropped a highlighter. It didn't break. So I'm just going to grab my e.l.f. HD setting powder for under the eyes. And I'm just going to grab like a big fluffy brush and go under my eyes with that. Just so that I am going to put a little bit of mascara on, and it will migrate down. If I don't put a little bit of powder, I'm not gonna like bake or do anything crazy. Okay, we're at 6 minutes so far. I swear this usually only takes me like 10 minutes at the most. But of course, when you're filming something, that's when you're like, where is everything? So then the next thing I do is I take a cream blush. So I've got the e.l.f. Shimmering Facial Whip. They don't make this anymore. I think you could use in place, they came out with the Beautifully Bare Cheeky Glow blushes. They're like a cream to powder formula. This is a cream. I like a cream because, especially this one, has a little bit of shimmer in it, so you don't have to do any highlighting or anything like that. It's like a one and done type situation. So I've just got a little bit on my finger. I kind of smoosh it between my fingers, so I've got a little bit on both. And then I just give my cheeks a little bit of color. So this is what I do when I'm just running out to the gym or I'm running out to do some errands, but I don't really care to be like all dolled up. I'm going for a massage immediately after this, so obviously I'm not going to do like a bunch of eyeshadow and different stuff because it's just going to get like smooshed and put in the massage table. So that just gave me a little bit of color. You can see there's a little bit of a shine to it, so no highlight needed. And then I am just going to powder my T-zone with my Physicians Formula loose powder in Buff Beige. And I always use my e.l.f. Kabuki brush for this. And I just sort of do that sort of middle portion of my face because I do get really oily. And my chin, because obviously too we covered some blemishes, so we want to set that. And then I'll do just a little bit here in the middle because I get oily like around my nose and that sort of thing. Alright, so then the next thing, 2 more steps, I swear there's not that many. So I'm just going to put on my L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I love this mascara, you guys. I can't believe I waited so long to try it. And I just do like one sort of quick coat just to look like I have eyelashes. My own lashes are really blonde, so I always like to put on just a little bit of mascara for a little definition around the eyes. So that's the mascara. And then the last step is I take my, I mentioned in my last video when I'm doing my eyebrows, okay wait, where's the pencil I'm looking for? It's like 3/4 of the time it's just me looking for things. So I mentioned in my last video when I'm doing my brows, what I like to do is take a darker color and go underneath, and then I take a lighter color and I sort of fill everything in. So when I'm doing my no makeup, I take the lighter color. So this is an Essence one. It's just an inexpensive drugstore brand. And I think it's just their blonde color. So it's lighter. And I just do a quick sharpen. This, because it's an inexpensive pencil, it doesn't have a lot of pigment. So every time I use it, I just sharpen it a little bit to sort of get at the pigmentation. So I just kind of define my outer tail. So I'm not doing like a full like sculpted eyebrow or anything like that. I'm just filling it in a little bit so everything looks just a little bit more even. Like I say, I'm not shaping the shape of them or anything like that. I'm more just filling in the patches just so it looks a little bit more even. See the difference? It doesn't look necessarily filled in, because I find a filled in eyebrow, like a noticeably filled in eyebrow with no eyeshadow and no makeup otherwise, it looks a little cartoony. So I just take that blonde, brow pencil and kind of fill everything in. So the last step is just a little bit of lip gloss. So I'm just gonna grab this, what is this? Rommel London Stay 3D Glossy. In the color Lights Camera Action. It's just sort of a peachy, shimmery lip gloss. I'm just gonna put a little bit of gloss on. And that's it, you guys. So that was my no makeup face. Here it is. All cleaned up and ready to sort of live my life. So I'll pop a little hat on my hair so I don't have to do anything with my hair, and that'll be that. So this is my no makeup. I will probably do another video down the line for a natural makeup look, which would be a little bit different, but this is sort of the, you know, 5 to 10 minutes, clean yourself up and out the door, off you go kind of look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will list in the description box below all of the products that I used. If there's anything else that you want to see for makeup day next week, comment below. I'll try to do that for you. And I hope you guys have a great day. Like this video if you liked this, and please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.